Hello guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we will be unboxing the tiny man A95. This is the front of the box, the side of the box, the top, the side again, the bottom, and the back. Now let's unbox this model. This is the front of the bus, the side, the back, the top, and the bottom. So this is the front of the box, which shows the route service 963 from Woodlands interchange area AYE. The number plate is SG5778U. The side of the bus, the back, the side, top, and the bottom. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel for more content like this and like our video. Thank you and have a nice day.